southwestern Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota until 2:15 p.m. At 11:14 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause minor flooding in the advisory area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Rochester, Interstate 90, Exit 209, Apache Mall, Highway 52 and 55th Northwest, Century High School, Rochester Airport, and Simpson. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches is expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Turn around. Don't drive on flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Scattered thunderstorms across parts